happy holiday. We have a special video today. Our channel supporter Chris G has invited us back to his amazing loft on the Bowery because he decorated it for Christmas and he's going to show us around all he's been up to. We toured his apartment before if you haven't seen it, in a neon filled and vintage filled collection that he has, extra good. So I'm so excited. It looks so beautiful. Thank you. Tell us what you've been up to with this decoration. Tell us about these, Chris. Oh.
So the mini blocks are actually, they're like mini Legos. These were from MoMA. They ran a sale a few years ago and they were ridiculously expensive at regular price, but we picked them up on their holiday sale. And this is from Czechoslovakia.
That looks vintage, right?
The original mold's from the 1800s, I believe, or early 1900s. And we brought that back from, I'm sorry, Prague. We got that in Prague. There we go.
Oh,
He'll jump around.
I love it. Jump around.
As he goes diving off.
As he goes diving off. I'm gonna show the snowflakes. Yeah. Look at them go. It's so cheery. Cool. That's such a great touch, Chris.
Thank you.
So I spotted this little box, this little Santa box. And I don't remember the Santa either.
No,
he wasn't out,
he
right?
He only comes out for the holidays.
I spotted a little toy box.
This is sort of our little music end of it. That's an vintage UNESCO. I don't think they make them anymore, but back in like the late 80s, early 90s, into the early 2000s, they came out with a whole line of really elaborate music boxes, and they're highly collectible right now. So
it's beautiful, and I noticed, look, even a little The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is tucked back there, a little book. Mm-hmm. So adorable.
And then we have, this will show up well, but our little singing bird box. We got that in your, 5 years ago?
Oh my God, that's so precious. What do the cats think?
The cats don't get anywhere near it. That's why it's under glass. And we actually museum puttied it to the table so they can't do anything with it.
I knew it.
So off to the kitchen end of it. So we managed fortunately to get out of the country before the new variant showed up. And while we were there, they were starting to put out all the Christmas stuff. So we got kind of first dibs of the European Christmas stuff. But they had these really cool paper honeycomb Christmas trees.
Oh, wow.
So,
oh,
yeah.
let me get a close up. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. You can really see it. And these are vintage, right?
The bulb, yes. Jerry picked those up from Housing Works.
Oh, they're beautiful, Jerry.
And then, being a chef, my sister-in-law did this for us. So
oh
we have
God.
all the cooking utensils.
I didn't even notice that until you pointed it out because I could just see it from far. But look at this, guys. Oh, a whisker.
A whisk, a saute pan, a little...
The Betty Crocker.
Pan flipper, measuring spoons, colander, potato peeler, another whisk.
That is the cutest thing. I've never seen one of these. This is fabulous. So fabulous. And this cute little tree. I see a lot of beautiful ornaments. Do they each have a story?
Just there's a few chef ornaments in here. These are like our catch-all from like stuff that doesn't go on the tree because I mostly try to keep that glass.
Kiss the claws. I like that one. Oh, he's got a Burger Deluxe. And wait, he's wearing flip-flops.
Yeah.
Coming into the living room, there's lots of Christmas cheer. Give us a lowdown how you decorated this section.
We picked those up in Amsterdam at one of their big department stores. What was it, 5 years ago? 5 years ago.
Oh, I love this. Look.
Yeah, we got that on one of our winter cruises. We did a lot of river cruises for Christmas markets and stuff. We did the Rhine, the Rhone. There's a sister one. Yeah, they get during the Christmas cruises they give out little gifts. So that was one of our little gifts, and this also we got in Amsterdam. at the big department store on Dom Square.
This is precious.
That's from one of our cruises too. That was one of our gifts on one of the cruises.
Show the center train, Chris.
Oh yeah, I was looking at that.
So, hang on. That's an original King.
Oh, that's amazing. When do you think that was made? Do you have any idea?
That's probably 40s or 50s.
Hey, baby.
Look, there's Kitty.
Oh, that's great, huh?
All right, Kitty has brought us to the tree. Where did Kitty go? Underneath the tree?
She's over here.
Oh, okay. She ran away. So let's start from the bottom up. I'm gonna go on the floor here because I found two houses. Tell us a story about these, Chris.
The one house on the right, Jerry found at a consignment store in Florida and had his sister send it up from Florida. And the other one Jerry found at Housing Works? Marshalls.
Oh, wow.
Exotic.
So now you said this tree. Tell us the theme of everything that's on this tree, because I could see there's a theme to it.
It's mostly vintage, or vintage is the theme pretty much every year. All the lighting on the tree is vintage lighting, like the snowballs. If they're off, they're white styrofoam, but when you turn it on, the colors come out. These are lighted ice. The earliest stuff is like the 40s, 50s, and the latest stuff would be the 80s.
I love this kitty. This is so adorable.
We got him there was a store on Spring Street. Elizabeth Street.
Oh my God, look at this Santa.
That one we got at the same store.
That's fabulous.
We were looking at the retro thing. There's a boot down on the front too that we got over there. Right in the front, right there.
Oh yeah, I see that. Oh, that's great. The colors are fabulous. Oh, look at this gumball machine.
That's from Macy's. Again, that was right after Jerry and I met, and we went to Macy's, and they had one there.
Oh, and look at this kitty.
That's from the same store on Mulberry. We believe in supporting local business. And then Merlin I got as a child. This is actually, I think that's the oldest thing on the tree.
All right, here we go.
So these green guys here, and there's a orchid one here, and there's a yellow or coral one down here. These were all actually made by Sylvania. They're fluorescents, and they were made at a shop on 23rd Street.
Oh, wow.
Over on the west side. I believe the building's still painted with the Sylvania. Like, you could see the remnants of it there. But yeah, they're original, actual, and they're clear, they're white until they light.
Wow.
So
that's awesome.
They're actual fluorescent lights.
And how about these? These are, I've never seen anything like this before.
They're bubble lights. They started in like the 40s, I believe, 40s, 50s.
Oh, look at this glass reindeer.
That's from MoMA.
Gorgeous. Oh, look at him rocketing you off. Oh, and he's got a movie camera. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, of course you know. I'm saying, do you see that? Meaning our audience. This almost looks like a broccoli.
It is broccoli.
It is broccoli.
Surlatop.
Oh my God!
It's fine.
Oh my God!
It's fine.
Okay. Broccoli did not break. Oh my God.
He's
James,
fine.
they put this on the tree just for you.
Yeah. Probably my favorite one is, we got this one in Prague too. The little piggy guy, and it was Jerry's and my first big European trip together.
Oh.
So.
What is sweet. Oh, this is such a precious tree. I could just look at it for hours.
We just picked these up. Hema had, the store in Amsterdam had these guys, so they're little stars in a clear thing, so you can pick them up and
glitter
shake them.
balls.
Yeah, little glitter balls.
And of course, the neon's always looking fabulous.
Yep.
And I see
red and green for the holidays.
I see in the window you gotta put the season's greetings.
Season's greetings always goes in the window, and that was all hand painted, fair trade. And then we have from MoMA Statue of Liberty.
Oh, that's gorgeous piece. Oh, look at that.
Starter. Yeah, and that plays Oh Christmas Tree.
Oh, look at these merry guys. They're having fun.
Yeah, my stepbrother sent us those for Christmas. They're wine stoppers.
Oh my God.
And it's Blitzen, who's blitzed.
And
then
Vixen. Oh yeah, sassy. Chris, I spotted GE Christmas lamps. Now that looks vintage. Even the box. Look, progress is our most important product. So what's in here?
So this is new old stock. I was on eBay. It wasn't Christmas time, and I always, I have my save settings, and somebody was selling a vintage box of new old stock lighted ice. So
Oh my
I picked
God.
it up, and it's all in the original packaging. Most of these, I've taken each one out and tested them, so I know that they all work. But basically, they've only been lit for maybe 30 seconds or
Wow.
less. And so, yeah, it's all the original colors. The turquoise, the ruby, all original packaging.
Oh wow.
But, yeah, this is all the new old stock.
I love the packaging.
Yeah, it's total classic. And, like, the price on these have just gone through the ceiling
I'm gonna show
for
everyone.
collectors.
Look at that, guys. Cool, burning decorative lamps for Christmas trees, gardens, and party occasions. Topaz pearl, emerald, turquoise, garnet, and ruby. The most beautiful lamps in the world. Extra good. Oh my God.
Yeah, these were made in New York City on 23rd Street. These are the original Sylvania fluorescents. That's what they look like when they're not on the tree.
Oh wow.
And then they're actually labeled what colors they are. And there's a few rare ones. I have a blue on the tree.
Oh, I see that one. I'll go over towards it.
Blue and pink.
This one right here,
Yeah.
right?
The blue and the pink are like the rarest, and yellow is pretty rare. But like the coral, there's a lot of coral. There's a lot of green.
Oh yeah, here's a green right here.
Yeah. They don't make these anymore. That's actually styrofoam, and these are the original ones because it's got the GE printed on the top.
Oh my God, I feel like, yeah, you can see that this is like little tiny pieces of styrofoam, like little specks.
And yeah, this one's either blue. It'll light either blue, green. I think it's
It looks green, yeah.
So yeah, you don't know
Oh.
what color they are until you actually plug them in.
Oh, that's amazing. Look at this. They were 29 cents. They were 29 cents each, these lighted ice.
Right.
Wow.
That's one of the packaging. That's one of the packaging.
Oh.
That's one of the.
Oh, look at that packaging. They're white till they light. Oh my God. Wow.
This was a vintage set from Italy. The year that Pippin came to Broadway, I managed to make it onto the cast album. They did an audience sing along, and I did the tree with the circus theme with all the animals. And this, when it lights up, it does work. There's little animals in the cages, and the shadows show.
No.
through.
Oh wait, I see them. I see. Oh wow, I see a monkey. Oh my God. Oh my God.
The little animals are all in their little cages.
Circo. Okay, I'm gonna tip it up so everyone can see. I see like an ostrich in that one. Yeah, that one has the monkey. There's another ostrich. There's a bear. Oh wow.
Collaboration with Christopher Radko, and they come out for the holidays and they get their own shelf and they get the little festive color changing. Wait, is that even? Yeah, there you go. They get the little festive
Look at that.
sparkly things.
Oh, those are perfect.
Yeah, we got those somewhere on the Upper West Side. We were walking by and somebody was having an after Christmas sale, so we were like, let's go see what they have.
He's really cheery.
Yeah.
Because they're serious. The Kings, they're serious. But I like this cheery guy too. Look on the table. There's a nice collection of books.
Yeah, the Robert Sabata books are kind of special. He's an amazing paper artist, and each one is just a true work of art.
The Christmas alphabet. Oh my God, Angel.
They're all.
Wow.
Yeah. The 12 Days of Christmas one.
Oh my God.
So we have your Partridge in a Pear Tree, 2 Turtle Doves. Third Day, your French Hens. 4 Calling Birds. But they're actually, I think they're mice. 12 Lords of the Leaping.
Wow.
And then at the end, you got the whole big celebration.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. The lights, everything.
Come on. Go girl. And she would literally do this all night long. We had to hide the bank because she was waking us up in the middle of the night. Good girl. You gonna do it again? You had enough? Nope. Good girl.
Thank you so much for inviting us into your home. It's so magical. I feel all the love that's in here. I know how much hard work this must have been to decorate every year and then put away. I mean, especially all the delicate pieces that you have. Thank you so much for sharing them with us. I've seen so many things that I didn't even know existed. I mean, like the pop-up books, I'm blown away. I mean, really everything. I mean, it's just so gorgeous, so magical. I feel extra like in the Christmas spirit. Now I think I want to go and I don't know, make some gingerbread cookies or something like that. Extra good. Well, thank you so much. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, kiddies, for having us. And everyone have a really, really, really happy holiday. This is such a joy that Chris invited us into his home and shared all his treasures with us.
Bye.